Hey everybody, it's Jeff here, and I want to do this massive The Rag Company haul of all these new detailing products I've ordered. And some of them I've used before, some of them I've never used before, and let's see if it's worth it or not. So I'm going to open up the box and bring out every product one by one, and I'll briefly explain why some things are going to be amazing and why some things I'm just testing. So let's jump into it right now. Okay, I'm actually gonna put the box on the ground because it'll be easier to do that way. Okay, so we'll go one by one. So the first one I'm actually really excited about are the Rag Company's. They're Ultra Ripping Rags. They're 16 by 16. They're premium microfiber towels on a roll, or in this case, in a box. Take a look at that. You can pause it if you need to read anything about it. And the reason I'm buying this, or I bought this, is because I want to find out how they compare to Kirkland's pack of microfiber towels. They just did a price increase over at Kirkland. It is now about $17 and change for a 36 pack of microfiber towels. So stay tuned for a video just on that. Of me comparing this versus the Kirkland towels. I'll be talking about pricing and the quality and the size and the fabric content, how it's made up. So all that'll be in different videos. So be sure to like, subscribe, to wait for that video once I get it done. So next product that I ordered was this. I'm actually really looking forward to using these. Is the Rag Company's premium microfibers for glass. What these are supposed to do, because I've had other really old, super tight microfiber towels just for glass, I'm looking forward to trying these out because they're bigger, and from a company perspective, I like the Rag Company's microfiber towels, so I'll test that on another video. I guess I'll be doing a lot of videos after this unboxing, but that's what I've got thus far. The next product is, their large detail brush from the Detail Factory. Now this one, I'm replacing a very old boar's head brush or boar's hair brush. And I definitely want to try this because my old one is really tired. It's easily like 10 years old. And I've got a bottle of Frostbite. So I'm just gonna leave it in the package for now. A bottle of Frostbite because I want to try a different soap or shampoo to clean or pre-treat cars that are extra dirty. I don't need a lot of it because I don't do that kind of detail very often. Next would be, this I was really looking forward to, is their Ultra Swivel Kit for my Tornador, because right now I kind of have a pseudo ball joint for my Tornador on my air hose. This one appears to be, gives it more, what's the word I'm looking for? Flexibility in terms of the way the hose lands with the Tornador gun. And this, the Rag Company's, what do they call this? They call it the Ultra Utility Brush. I have seen some odd reviews, but they're in the minority about the quality or construction of this brush, but there's only one way to find out, is using it myself. And the reason I want to use this brush is, oh wow. This is super soft. The pictures online do not do this justice. That is super soft. I cannot wait to try this out. The reason I want to use this is it's got a nice wood handle, which I love, and I want to use this for wheels because my traditional or your traditional wheel brush has that handle, right? So you're kind of like, I don't know, it feels uncomfortable to me when I'm cleaning the face of a wheel with a traditional handled brush. I like these palm brushes better. I feel that it's ergonomically more correct for my hands and the way I clean things. And I'm also looking forward to trying this on a convertible top for my fabric convertible top. So of course I need to buy another one. I wouldn't want to cross use a wheel brush to a convertible brush, but I do so few convertibles in general that I'll just really clean this off before I even attempt to use it on a convertible. But I'm really this one I'm really looking forward to using. So if you have any comments or questions about this one, I'd love to hear about it because I'm really excited about using this one. What else did I get? Oh, and so I got the P&S Bug Off Insect Remover. Now, the crazy thing about this product is not that number one, I've never used it before, so I don't even know if it's any good. I'm assuming it's good because I do use a lot of P&S products. The crazy thing about this is that I think it was maybe a 32-ounce bottle, spray bottle was 15 and change, so this is called $15. This 1 gallon was the same price. So even though I've never used it before, it just made sense to buy a gallon. I know you can dilute. I want to say it's 10-to-1 or something like that. You guys can let me know in the comments what the proper dilution rate is for this product by P&S for their Bug Off. I'd love to learn more, but I'll check it out online as well. But for the same price as a 32-ounce bottle, I might as well just buy a gallon. It just makes more sense for me. Oh, and then lastly is this Absolute. So I ended up buying another bottle of Absolute, or gallon bottle of Absolute, because I forgot I already had one on hand. However, it doesn't really matter because ever since like winter started, I became a rinseless wash convert. So if you haven't seen my video on how to do rinseless wash and how easy it is and efficient, time efficient, product efficient, be sure to check out my other videos. I'll link it in the comments below about how to use rinseless wash at home, in your garage, outside if you're an apartment dweller, anywhere you don't even have access to a hose, you can effectively wash your car with Rinseless. So definitely give it a try. So these are all the products I bought for this particular haul from the rag company. And all the reasons I bought them, I'm gonna either try them out for the first time or I've used them often before in the past. I just need to restock, or sometimes I just forget what I already have. So that's where I'm going with this haul. If you have any questions about these products, be sure to ask me in the comments below about my thoughts. Hopefully I've kind of given you a really quick idea why I bought them. And should you have any questions, again, comment below. So if you're interested in seeing any of my other videos, YouTube is gonna make some suggestions over here or over here. Click on it now and find out my thoughts or how to do certain things on a really easy, basic understanding. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.